Static variables in Java. Array in Java. This declare static keyword in Java as same as the instance variables also. That will also describe to the outside if any object, block or constructor. The difference in the syntax is that uses the keyword statics. These are the example of that static keyword. First of all, import java io.star file. Inside that class is declared. Inside that class, static variable declared. Public static double salary that are declared to the static variable members. Public static string name is equals to the double quote names. Okay, then public class declares to the emp class. Inside that, a void main function is declared. Inside that, accessing a static member or variable declared to the without if any object. Okay, that will object gives to the any numbers or value. Then program in your screen return to the output of here with the help of the system.out.println statement. Okay, then declare to the emp name and salary. Next point will be the literatures. Literatures are number that will describe to the text or anything represent to the values. And that literature is also the constant value assigned to the variable. These are called to the constant value. For example, like that integer x defined to the or assigned to the 100 values. 100 is a literature value or constant value. Array in Java. Array in Java means array is a collection of these similar types of element which has a continuous memory location. Java array is an object that will contain the element of similar data type. The element of an array are stored to the continuous memory location format that will also describe the data structure. Data structure stored to the similar element value. Inside that we can also store to the only the fixed set of that element in Java array. Array in Java is an index based value variable element. The first element of the array is stored at the 0 indexed. Like that, these are the example shows to the array in Java. Second element is stored in the first index and next third element stored to the second element. These are the example of that Java stored to the array length of this index based value. Okay, these are the array length is 5 and that will describe to the array index. First is 0 assign and last will be the fourth. Single or one dimensional array that is called to the 1D array. This 1D array represent to the stored data in the linear form that will also called to the linear array, and it also creation that will be the 3-step declaration of array. Okay, first step will be the declare to the array, that will be the syntax, type array name, again type angular bracket array name function, example like that. Second step will be the creation of array. After declaring this array, memory is created with the help of a new operator. That will be the syntax with the array name is equal to new type size function. Example numbers that will be equal to the new integer 5. That will also possible that will combine to the 2 steps declaration and creation into the 1 step. Integer number is equal to the new integer of 5. Type of array name is equal to new type that size semicolon. Okay, that will declare to the this 2-step declaration creation function. First function declares to the creation of array means that will simple array name is equal to the new type of size. Inside that declare to the new integers size value, and then 2-step declaration and creation into the 1 step. These are the this function will be the use integer number is equal to new integer number. Then third step will be the initialization of array. The final step is to the put the values into the array creation. The process is known as initialization of this array. The syntax: array number subscript that will describe to the value. These are the syntax of the initialization of array. These are the example: number of 0 equals to 10. These are the initialized value of this array. That will also describe to the time of this function. These are the type array, name, the list of value, integer, number.